So there are 9 steps to complete the accounting cycle. Wait and listen, I'll explain it, make it viral. The first one is analyzing and journalizing. AJ, remember that for the acronym. P is posting the general ledger, often called simply as the ledger. This step summarizes individual accounts, transferring the journal to the T accounts. After posting the transactions, think and look back, make sure it's balanced. Wait before all the other actions. The next step is preparing the trial balance. T, that is the acronym. Put it in your mind, remember it the maximum. Debit and credit, just know where you headed. Every account must have an equal balance. So the fourth step is preparing of the worksheet. Not a formal statement, but accountants need to use it. There are 2 forms for preparing the worksheet. 10 column, 8 column, yeah, that is it. W, remember that is the acronym. A, adjusting for accurate measurement. Revenue is recorded only when received. Wait, slow down, I might have overachieved. F is for financial statements. Preparing it might give you an entertainment. Wait, is it over yet? Nah, we have 3 more from the alphabet. C, that is for closing entries. There is an account known as income summary. P is for post-closing trial balance. It is not required, though it makes it balanced. Lastly, there is reversing entries. I'll make this short so that it won't be lengthy. R, that's what you call it. Accounting's still hard, yeah, I admit it. AJPTWA FCPR, that is it. Accounting process, that is everything. Yeah, let's go.